Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this like heart eyes video effect on CapCut PC. So before you did that, you basically, I basically used this one and I kind of scale it down and like masked it into like a circle shape in her eyes and like feather that out, but it took way too long to keyframe that. So now you can just go to effects, go to body effects, and you're going to go to the selfie one, and you're going to add in heart lenses instead to your video. You can adjust the filters here of the video and also adjust the strength as well. It's not going to be perfect, and you can also adjust the range. I think it's adding like makeup a little bit. But that is pretty much it. It's the heart-shaped contact lenses. Now you have this like hard eyes video effect on your video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.